How to post a video on Steam. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post a video on Steam. This can be helpful if you want to share gameplay clips or other videos on your Steam profile. Let's get started. Step number 1, upload your video to YouTube. Currently, Steam doesn't support direct video uploads, so we'll need to upload the video to YouTube first. Go to YouTube, sign in, and upload your video as usual. Make sure to set the privacy settings to public or unlisted so it can be shared. Step number 2, open Steam and link your YouTube account. So once the video is live, open Steam, go to your profile, click on videos in your profile menu. If this is your first time linking a YouTube account, click on link YouTube account, sign in with your YouTube credentials and authorize Steam to access your videos. Step number 3, add the video from YouTube to Steam. So find the video you want to post on Steam, click add next to it, and this will link the video to your Steam profile and game library if applicable. To make sure the video appears on your Steam activity feed, go to your Activity tab, select Post and Update, and include a message if you'd like. Then, click on the video icon and choose your recently added video. Once done, hit Post to share it with your friends and followers on Steam. They'll now be able to see and watch the video directly from your activity feed. And that's it, you've successfully posted a video on Steam. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.